Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have packing tape. Of all things I know, packing tape. Packing tape is something that I always try to have around. I do a lot of shipping with my other businesses, and I've bought tape from a lot of different companies, and I gotta say I am happiest with this. And so this is a 12 pack that you get, and it's about, I believe it's 2 millimeters is what the size of the tape is. And I honestly found that to be the best. I ship a lot of boxes, and anything less than that, you are going to risk the chance of that tape basically breaking apart, not holding, ripping. You know, there's just a lot of different things that can happen with that. It does come with each set that I buy. I usually buy like 12 packs like every couple weeks, and it does come with a tape dispenser on it. However, I gotta be honest with you, love the tape dispenser, not so much. If you're gonna be using this kind of tape, definitely get yourself a tape gun. There's plenty available on Amazon, but yeah, so tape awesome, tape dispenser that comes with it, not so much. But anyway, that is what you get, and I just love the fact that it's basically typically double wrapped. So you have an outer plastic, and then you have an inner plastic, you can tell from the above. So that is your tape. It has a cool start piece to it if you follow the arrows. And that is going to be how it starts for you. Nice and easy. And if you have a tape gun, you can load that really like super fast and easy. Hang on, we get a tape gun. Okay, I'm back. So this is the tape gun that we use, and you can tell that this is obviously the same tape, same logo. So I use this like every single day, anytime I'm using boxes. And a tape dispenser gun like this is the perfect matchup with tape like that. But anyhow, I just figured I'd share. And Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.